This is Chapter 1, Introduction to Project Management. There's advantages to using formal project management. You have better control of the financial, physical, and human resources. You have improved customer relationships, shorter development times, lower cost, higher quality, increased reliability, higher profit margins, better productivity, better internal coordination, and higher worker morale. What is a project? So a project is a temporary endeavor undertaken to create a unique product, service, or result. Operations is done to sustain the business. Projects end when their objectives have been reached or the project is terminated. Projects can be large or small and take a short or long time to complete. So here's a few examples of IT projects. You got a few students that creates a smartphone application and sells it online. Another example is a company develops a driverless car. A government group develops a system to track child immunizations, or a global bank acquires other financial institutions and needs to consolidate systems and procedures. There's project and program managers. So project managers work with project sponsors, project team, and other people involved to get a project to meet project goals. A program is a group of related projects managed in a coordinated way to obtain benefits and control not available from managing them individually. Program managers oversee programs, often act as bosses for project managers. This is figure 1 in the textbook. There's this triple constraint in project management. You have the scope of the project, the cost of the project, and the time it takes to do the project. And those are always in tension. So as scope increases, the cost and time will increase. If you try to shorten it, you have to reduce scope, reduce cost. So what is project management? It's the application of knowledge, skills, tools, and techniques to project activities to meet project requirements. So project managers strive to meet the triple constraint, the project scope, time, and cost goals, and to facilitate the entire process to meet the needs and expectations of project stakeholders. So this is the project management framework. It's figure 1-2, and we're going to keep coming back to this throughout the entire course. So there's 10 knowledge areas, and you see them there. There's scope management, time management, cost management, quality management, human resource management, communication management, risk management, procurement management, stakeholder management, and then down the middle there is project integration management. So project stakeholders. So stakeholders are the people involved in or affected by project activities. So stakeholders might include the project sponsor, project manager, the project team, the support staff, customers, users, suppliers, and even opponents to the project. So there are several ways to define project success. So the first is the triple constraint, scope, time, and cost goals. The second is, did you satisfy the customer and sponsor? And then the results of the project met its main objectives, such as making or saving a certain amount of money, providing a good return on investment, or simply making the sponsors happy. So here's the top 3 reasons why federal technology projects succeed. first is adequate funding. Second is staff expertise. And finally, engagement from all stakeholders. Figure 1-3 in the textbook compares project management with project portfolio management. So at the bottom is what you might consider tactical goals with project management. Are we carrying out our projects well? Are projects on time and on budget? Do project stakeholders know what they should be doing? And then the strategic goals are the project portfolio management. And that's asking these questions. Are we working on the right projects? Are we investing in the right areas? Do we have the right resources to be competitive? Table 1-3, 10 most important skills and competencies for project management. So these are what you need to be a project manager. You need people skills, leadership, listening, and then integrity, ethical behavior, being consistent. Be strong at building trust, verbal communication, strong at building teams, and then conflict resolution, conflict management, critical thinking and problem solving, and you need to understand and balance priorities. So effective project managers provide leadership by example. So a leader focuses on long-term goals and big picture objectives while inspiring people to reach their goals. The manager deals with the day-to-day details of meeting specific goals. Project managers often take on the role of both leader and manager. You have to be able to do the broad, big picture things and get down into the nitty-gritty details. So here's a little bit of history in project management. Some people argue that building the Egyptian pyramids was a project, as was building the Great Wall of China. Most people consider the Manhattan Project to be the first project to use the modern project management. This 3-year, $2 billion project had a separate project manager and technical manager. So figure 1-6 shows a simple Gantt chart created with my Project 2013. We're gonna dive into this in more detail later, but you can see that a Gantt chart, it shows the different tasks that need to be accomplished and when they need to be accomplished. The Project Management Institute is an international professional society for project managers. It was founded in 1969. PMI has continued to attract and retain members. With, there you see, almost 500,000 members worldwide by 2014. There's community of practice in many areas like information systems, financial services, healthcare. Project management research and certification programs continue to grow. So students can join PMI at a reduced fee, and you can earn a certified associate in project management. So the primary project management certification is called PMP, the Project Management Professional. A PMP has documented sufficient project experience and agreed to follow the Code of Ethics and pass the PMP exam. The number of people earning the PMP certifications is increasing quickly. Project management software, there's hundreds of different products to assist in performing project management. There's 3 categories, sort of the low end, handle single or smaller projects well, low cost, mid-range tools, handle multiple projects and users. Mid-cost Microsoft project is one of the most popular. The high-end tools, also called enterprise project management software, it's often licensed on a per-user basis, and several free or open source tools are also available. So chapter summary: a project is a temporary endeavor. Project management is the application of knowledge, skills, tools, and techniques to project activities to meet project requirements. A program is a group of related projects. Project portfolio management involves organizing and managing projects and programs as a portfolio of investments. Project managers play a key role in helping projects and organizations succeed, and the project management profession continues to grow and mature.